How to fix OBS Studio missing files pop-up. Hello friends, you might be facing this annoying pop-up each time at the startup of the OBS Studio. Full error messages. Some files are missing since you last used OBS. After launching the software, every time you have to close the pop-up. So it is pretty irritating. Follow the steps to fix it. Close this pop-up and go to sources. In the sidebar, you can see the files shown on the pop-up. Right click on the file name and select remove. Yes. Then close the OBS Studio and relaunch it. The missing file error pop-up should be fixed. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.